Okay, hey guys. So the final recording time for the video is actually 8 minutes and 13 seconds, just like on the last video. So basically, this here is the motion picture, picture that I got. Here's the picture that it goes with. I had to take it off the face because you probably remember the annoying grinding noise that it makes. So, in case you haven't heard it, I will demonstrate it. And actually right here is the culprit, and I'll zoom in right there at that particular spot so that you can see it in action. Now, I can't focus very well, but it's okay. So right here is where it's grinding at, and you can hear it if I push it down. But of course, when I turn it on, you'll hear it really well. There's the light. I'm sure you can hear that. So basically, I'll zoom out, obviously, so that you can see what I'm going to do. It zooms out so slow. It zooms in a lot faster when it's on the camera, or not recording. Basically, this is just a medicine canister full of multi-purpose grease. And it's black, it smells awful. It smells really weird. It smells like motor oil, but it's not motor oil, it's just multi-purpose grease. And a horsehair paintbrush, which you normally use for that kind of stuff. So I'm going to brush it on there, get it really good in that groove, and try it out again and see if that awful sound goes away. So, now I've never worked on any of these things before, so this is obviously a first time for me. So I have to push it down. I didn't unplug it, so if I get zapped, I'm screwed. I need to unplug that, really. I'll get zapped, and I don't want to get zapped. That's 110 volts. That's probably upped a few times in the process of, Alright, so there's going to be some grease on this plastic piece because obviously it gets a lot of movement throughout the process. So there's this piece here. There's a lot of pieces actually. Even this gear here is going to get a new grease coat here. That's good to keep these parts greased up because they do a lot of moving. Especially if you're like me and you enjoy these kind of things that are cool and move around. You want to run them as long as you can run them. So if you can in any way, shape, or form run it all the time, then that's what you're going to do. You're going to run it all the time. You can see there's places, well, you can't see it, but I can. There's places on here that's had grease on it before, and you know what? I'm waiting for an email. Someone's supposed to inbox me some info. Crap. Okay. Okay. Alright, I'll get it. Okay, so I'm gonna wing that because I don't want to get it on these plastic moving membranes here. I guess they're called membranes. I don't know. I have no idea actually. So, but yeah. I mean, I don't want to risk, because if you get grease in a certain spot that it's not supposed to, and it's not supposed to slip, and it starts slipping, yeah, it's gonna be a terrible day. Some of these parts are rusting in places. Okay, so let's see if that fix did anything at all. Let me check my recording time. I got 2 minutes and 15 seconds. And to cut down on upload time, I'm gonna convert my files to an FLV because AVI is just terrible. It's better. Put some grease on the parts while they're moving. It might do some good. So, you get a nice glob here. Okay. So yeah, that's it. It didn't stop completely, but it stopped enough to where it's a lot quieter. So I literally don't have much time left, but thanks for watching. This has been another HD video. Like I said, I'm going to be using this a lot more often because when you get a good camera, you want to take advantage of it. So again, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this slight tutorial. If this happens again to something of yours like this, then do what I did. Thanks for watching. Oh, we still have 14 seconds, so 14 seconds. I don't know. It should make a sound.